Hi everyone, this is Sandy here, and thank you again for joining me here on my channel. I have an outgoing flipbook that I'd like to share with you, and it's a flipbook that I'm going to send off to someone here in Australia. So I just wanted to show you the inside of the flipbook here that I made, and I will also show you how you can make the flipbook base like this one here as well. So I'll just quickly show you the flipbook here. So I've just added a paperclip, altered paperclip with a flower die set that I used to make the flower up here to hold the book together. And then I just paper layered the cover with some of my papers in my stash and added some die cuts as well. This is a cute little typewriter die cut that I've had in my stash for a little while, so I thought that looked nice in the front, and I just added some washi tape here to the side of the book. This is a banner die set that I just recently purchased, and it's this one here, and they came in a set of 4. So you get that one, you get that one, and also this one here. So you get 4 different styles. So that's what I use to put up here. And then we'll just open the book. So there's also a side pocket here where you can add some goodies in there. I've just added some journaling cards, some word stamps, and some die cuts, and a couple of envelopes. And these envelopes, I just used my envelope punch board, and this is a 3x4 envelope. So they go in there. And this is your next page here. I just did a paper layered the page for this side, and then you open it up, and then you get another 2 pages. I've added my envelope for my letter, and that says read me. Also a mail tag as well that goes in there, and I'll just write a couple of questions in the back before I send that off. So that sits in there. These are the same envelopes again I've made. This isn't that banner die again. I used the gold foil paper to do that one. Added some leaf die cuts. And this is another envelope that says die cuts and stuff. And got some die cuts in there and some stickers. And I just added some washi tape just to decorate the part where we fold. And then it just closes up like that, and then I've just put my information on the back. And the good thing with this flipbook as well is, the flipbook measures, I don't know if I mentioned it, but it measures 5 1/4 by 6 inches, and it will fit perfectly in one of these envelopes here. And it's I think it's called the C5 pocket envelopes. And I purchased these from our department store here in Kmart, and I think you get a pack of 25 for, I think they're $3 or $4, and when you put it in, it just fits perfectly, even with my paper clip on the top. It fits nicely in there like that, and it's still nice and flat, so it's shouldn't be too expensive for your packaging. So that's just to show you that it'll fit nicely in those envelopes. So I'm just going to quickly show you now how you can make the base of this flipbook as well. So what you need is, you'll need a 12x12 paper, double-sided or single-sided, it doesn't matter. And what you want to do is you want to score it at 1.5 inches all the way down, and then 6 3/4 of an inch all the way down, and then turn your paper over and score it at 6 inches. I'll put the measurements down in the description box as well, in case so you can see the measurements. Alright, so that's it for your scoring. The next step we want to do is we're just going to cut off a section of this paper. So what we're going to do, oh actually what I might do is I'll fold it first so then I can see the fold mark before I cut it. Because sometimes certain patterns just make it difficult to find where you need to cut. So I'll just quickly just give that a quick fold. And fold that up as well. So what we want to do is the side here that you've got that 1.5 inch score line, we are actually going to cut this score line here up to the center score line. So we're just going to take off this whole corner section here. So let's go ahead and we'll cut that. You can use your paper trimmer if you like. I'm just going to use my scissors. It's just as quick. Because the score line gives you a guide anyway where to cut. Alright, and then we'll just cut off the middle score line here. So now you should have your paper looking like you'll have your 1.5 inch score line here, and then you'll have that corner piece there missing. So the next step is I'm just going to trim this little bit off here, sorry. Didn't quite. We're just going to do this bit here. Just going to trim off just a little bit more up here. That way it'll be easier to fold down when you want to close the book. So just slightly just trim off. So I just want to trim off about that much. And now we'll just get some liquid glue, or you can use your double-sided tape, and we're just going to apply some glue to the side here and on this side here, just up to the score line, and that will create your pocket. You can use double-sided tape, that's fine too. If you're going to use your double-sided tape, just use your 1/8 of an inch double-sided tape, or your 1/4 of an inch. That way you'll have more room for your pocket to put your goodies in. And then we'll just fold that over, and that should create your side pocket like that. And then the next step is just to fold that top flap over like that, and we just fold this side over like that. And there's your flipbook base done, and all you have to do next is the fun part of embellishing, adding your goodies in here, your letter, your mail tag, and embellish away. So I'll just show you the front again. So that's your front, and then you open that up, and then you get your side pocket here, and then that's your top part here, and then you open that up and you get your 2 pages, and that's it. Nice and easy. And then you can also embellish the back if you want, or you can also add the envelope or your letter to the back here, and your information on the back too. So that's the cover, that's the base of the flipbook. So I hope you make one of these as well for your pen pal or your swap partners. Any questions, please leave a comment, and I will do my best to answer your questions. And please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for subscribing. For those that have subscribed, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I do enjoy sharing with you my projects, tutorials, and my project shares. So thank you again for watching. See you in my next video.